He's like, what is this stuff? We got pizza. Pizza. What's going on, guys? Happy Super Bowl Sunday. I just took a bite of pizza. Yeah, so we're just kind of hanging out. My brother's here. He got here a little bit ago. He got mariachi groomed.
You got a haircut.
City Paws, same place we got Lola and Harmony groomed in the last vlog. So yeah, things were kind of up in the air for Super Bowl Sunday, so we're just like, well, let's just hang out at home and put a little something together. So that's what we're doing. Not a big party or anything. My brother, you make the big party.
Everything's a big party with you.
There we go. Woo!
Dream team.
We'll make it fun. This, by the way, is cauliflower pizza from Costco, and it's so good. One of the better pizzas that I've had. It doesn't taste like cauliflower or something weird. Brandon and I have been trying to be healthier people lately, although it is Super Bowl Sunday, so we do have some queso dip. You love this commercial, Andre?
I just liked how they were background. Oh.
Hi, and welcome to your favorite family. My name is Brandon, and I am here with my family.
Hi! How's it going?
What are we doing today, Iris?
We're going to the animal shelter to volunteer and walk some dogs.
Yes, we're gonna go.
So I really love that Brandon suggested this. It was his idea. We're going to go hang out with some stray dogs and possibly take them for a walk and just show them some love, so they're not just sitting in a cage today.
Let's go.
So have fun with them.
Okay.
Iris is very excited.
Yeah, let's do it.
Dogs.
You want to see the dogs?
Yeah.
Let's look at kitties first. Well, that's the last thing that we're gonna do is.
Well, you usually check out the kitties first.
Any in here?
No, doesn't look like it. They're all pretty open. The cat. I don't think they keep cats very often. They're like very long. So yeah, I used to come here and take the dogs for walks because I felt like I was doing something good. So here we go. Let's go check out the dogs. There's a moth in here too. You can rent. You can rent the moth.
You could rent the dogs.
The moth. Oh, we take it outside. I don't think we can walk it in.
Oh, this one wants a treat from you. So sweet. Leo is this one's name. Oh my gosh, Leo is so nice. He's just
I'm obsessed with Cameron. Cameron is so nice.
Yeah.
I need to walk Cameron.
This one keeps letting me pet him. So if you are local to Minnesota, this is the Golden Valley Animal Shelter, and there's lots of nice doggies here that need homes.
I need to walk.
All right, hang on. Iris is so excited to walk the dogs, but I just wanted to say Harmony is actually from here. That's Leo. Yep, so Harmony was originally adopted from here, and then she was rehomed to me after I fostered her. So lots of good dogs come through here. Oh my gosh, this is Tara. She's so nice. Are you wagging that tail? A happy girl. Yeah. Hi. She's a good girl. Yeah. Such a good girl.
This is Eeyore. Well, this is Eeyore. Eeyore, what are you doing, buddy? Excited? Should we go for a walk?
He is cute. There's a lot of pitty mixes here. Haven't you noticed that? A lot of them are pit bull mixes. And they're so nice too. All the ones that I've seen. Come on, bud. So the dog Tara I was with was so sweet. She was jumping up on me and licking my face. Just such a nice personality. And someone goes, uh-oh, someone else is trying to adopt my dog. And I'm like, no, get her. You should adopt her. She has such a nice personality. And so that makes me really happy that one of the dogs that I was petting might get adopted today. So we're walking Eeyore. You can only walk one dog at a time, but that makes sense if they don't get along. But Iris chose Eeyore to walk. He's a really nice boy. He was just loving up on me.
He's like, what is this stuff? Come on.
He seems to be weirded out by
The snow?
wet.
Yeah.
Well, Brandon has to carry him in. I don't know if this one got shipped up from a warm weather state or something, but he seems to hate the snow or anything wet on his feet.
Yeah, because he's just like, he won't move. He's just like, I won't move, no.
He's so sweet though. He's a big sweetheart.
I know.
But that's what happened with Harmony. Harmony was from a hurricane in Florida and got shipped up to this shelter. So they do that, and someone else was talking about another dog and they're from Texas, so I wonder if that's what's going on.
Come on,
Doesn't like the cold.
Eeyore, do you like your little thing off now? Feel free?
There's nothing everywhere. This is not loud.
Eeyore. What is all this stuff?
He likes to play.
What are you doing? Such a good girl. A good boy.
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 He's a good boy.
No. Good boy.
Yeah, you're such a good boy.
Well, I think Eeyore likes kids. If someone is looking to adopt a dog with kids,
Mm-hmm.
he likes to play with you.
Eeyore's great. Good boy. Oh, him and Harmony would have so much fun.
Oh, yeah. Muncie.
I actually loved this today. What a great idea Brandon had. We should do things like this more often. And actually there were a lot of people here, which was surprising to me and makes me happy that they, well, I guess maybe because it's a Sunday, it's a weekend, but I saw several dogs get adopted, but there's a lot more in here that are so nice. Actually, all of the dogs were just so sweet and friendly, and I loved playing with them and being with them today.
It's a happy medium because you want to take them all home with you, but
I know, that was the hardest thing. I didn't know if I'd be able to handle being here and not adopting several dogs, but we already have a lot of animals who are adopted, so, you know, I've done some good in this world, even though I'd like to just take them all and have a giant farm where they can all run around and play.
she knows.
Well, they have guinea pigs up for adoption too. You like Oreo?
Yes.
It's very skittish but cute.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love her. Her name's Lois. You're so cute. What's that? You hear that? Hi, Lois. Who's a pretty girl? Yeah, she's so sweet. She came right up to the front of the cage. Hi, Lois. Lois. Oh my gosh, I love her. She just wants to play with me. Where's she? Okay, okay. All right. Ready? Lois. 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 Come here. Come here. Ah, I was gonna throw it for you. Ready? And get it. You're so sweet. She was so excited when I came in here. I think they said she's been here for way too long. She's such a nice dog. She got me her stuffed animal right away and wanted me to play with her.
Hi. I'm excited to eat more food. And then more food. Fire.
on fire for a long time. Yes, everyone to my right. Iris is getting so much more confident and comfortable going by herself. We were holding hands for a long time. Brandon's getting a little more comfortable. Oh, geez. I got that one. You all right?
First time, yeah, that's the first time I've almost fallen. For a while. I usually fall though.
It's a cool little rink here. Go Iris, go Iris. Go, go, go Iris. You're going so fast.